Welcome sa Muntechna at ngayon mag-unbox tayo ng isang item from Shopee. So it's just a white box. Here we have the PlayStation 5 faceplate for the controller. It's blue, and I'm gonna show you how to install this on my Dualsense controller. So I have the original black one, and it's supposed to be very easy. So you just need something like this. I'll link the video that I made about this toolkit. You can use these picks, or you can use a guitar pick maybe to remove the faceplate, or also this pry tool. So let's proceed. So pick one of these picks, and we'll start from the bottom. Just unsnap those clips. Go start from here, then work your way around the bottom of the faceplate. Then gently lift. And it should pop open. Then move the faceplate towards the bottom of the controller. There we go. So now we're gonna try to install this blue controller. Just try to reverse the steps. By the way, I got this for 161 pesos in Shopee. So the technique is to place these two horns of the controller first. So just jam them in there, then work your way up to the bottom part of the controller. So try to pinch this one first, and then hold this and work your way to the top. Same on this side, and you should hear it click into place. There you go. It's a very easy mod for the PlayStation 5. Takes less than 5 minutes, and it's fairly cheap. It will bring a different dimension to your controller, and if you have more than one, you can mix and match for different players. Make sure to clip that bottom part as well, and there we go. A simple mod for your PlayStation 5. So if you enjoyed this video and found this useful, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.